Just about everyone knows that fruits and vegetables are healthy. They add vitamins, minerals, and fiber to your daily diet, and they are low in calories and fat. Plus, they are a great way to add color, flavor, and texture to any meal. Fruits and vegetables do all of these great things for us, so the question is, how can you add more of them to your daily diet? We're going to show you some quick tips for adding more fruits and vegetables to your breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. For breakfast, what can be more delicious than a fruit smoothie? Just add low-fat milk, a banana, and some frozen strawberries to a blender and blend for 30 seconds. The sweet and healthy result will brighten your morning and put a smile on your face. For lunch, keep cut vegetables handy to quickly add some crunch and nutrition to any lunchbox. Peppers, broccoli, cauliflower, carrots, celery, cucumbers, and snap peas will all do the trick, as will just about any other veggie you can think of. For dinner, are you tired of the same old spaghetti? Why not dress it up with some vegetables? You can do the same for meatloaf, lasagna, rice dishes, all of your old standbys. No matter what meal you are preparing, keep this rule of thumb in mind. Make half of your plate fruits and vegetables in any combination. That means 1/4 fruit and 1/4 veggies, 1/2 fruit or 1/2 veggies. But even with all of these great tips, chances are you'll still get a craving for a snack between meals from time to time. When the urge strikes, don't reach for the same old fatty chips to dip. Why not add a little more bite? Put a veggie in your hand instead and dip it into your favorite zesty salad dressing. You'll increase the crunch and decrease your calorie intake at the same time. Now that you've got a list of great ideas for adding more fruits and vegetables to your daily diet, it's time to take action. Get started with these easy-to-use, eat-right tips today.